Hello everybody, my name is Katjamacabreteaching, better known as the Yogi vocal coach, and today we are going to be going through a scale warm-up exercise based on this iconic 21 Pilots song.
I'm balling, so I'm taking my time on my ride.
In order to nail this exercise, we're going to be focusing on your vowel shapes. This is to help you get nice strong diction whilst also accessing that pitch. So we're going to start A. Try it. A. Then E. Then I. Bit of melisma. I. Then and again. Let's mush it together a little bit. A flat. E. Now together. E. Nice. Next bit. Together. Then now together. Okay. Now that section together. With me. We're going to pop it on piano now. This is a minor warm-up, a little bit different to what we normally do. 1, 2, 3, and and again, just get it in your head. Really good. Okay, I'm going to leave this up to you. The words are going to pop up here on the screen. We're going to take it nice and slow, and we're starting A flat minor. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and nice, moving up. Quick little exercise to test your breath control, melisma, working through vowel diction, and of course, a bit of 21 Pilots. Let me know how you got on in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Thank you for singing with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.